Pop it off!
I think they're gonna have a clanker month.
This is all according to my calculations. You could probably make a counterpoint if you were fucking dead.
This was the hardest R I've heard in a long time.
Nifty.
Hell yeah. Shit. Started
What up, baby boy?
Hey,
65 hours, Dalen, on Tracer?
this game has been out for 10 years.
So you're gonna play tank?
Yeah, I'm not gonna play support though.
What? You don't want to play jetpack cat? We need a jetpack.
That's
cat
all you,
game.
pimp. That's all you. I don't want to take your thunder, you know.
I'm so fucking scared right now.
Okay.
Nice, good kill.
Justin, who you
Pop
gonna
it
roll
off!
on, dude?
Fuck this
Well,
guy.
with help, with help.
No.
You see, that's why you're dead, you fucking clanker bitch.
Clanker.
Oh boy.
I think they're gonna have a
killing me.
clanker month.
Gotta go let her in when I
Wait.
die again.
You're probably not too far away from it.
My God, we need
Right.
a white history month. I don't know nothing about y'all.
That's what I'm saying, dude.
Well, we controlled the world.
No, hey, the Jews do that.
Well, they do now.
Nah, they've been done doing it. We're just opening our eyes to it.
Yahoo,
Boy.
whatever the fuck his name is. He's the leader.
You think the Jews controlled the world when fucking the British Empire existed?
Oh, I thought you were about to ring him.
Motherfucker.
Dalen, I will have you know I'm a African American boxer beating the brakes off a Caucasian boxer right now.
Thanks, I'm honored.
Yeah. Hard R on that honored, brother.
Oh boy, I love not having to aim because I'm playing Vendetta.
Is this your first time playing?
That's okay, I don't
No,
have to
I'm-
aim either.
I,
just spray him.
I'm well versed in Vendetta, in all parts of
Really?
Vendetta.
How?
Rule 34.
Oh god, rule 34, let's go. Damn, I wish I was playing Overwatch.
You would just throw the fucking match, dude.
Oh, 100%. 100%.
Jacob would call you a n***. Everything would go to shit.
Boy.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Boy. What did I say with your chest?
That was the hardest R I've heard in a long time.
What happened?
It's happened before, dude.
There was a federal agent on Black History Month, snitching out all the homies.
Are you here, Dylan?
Indeed.
Are you trying to jetpack cat?
I don't care, brother. It's up to you.
I don't care.
You don't look so good.
I'm like totally down to play Juno.
This one out and leave the kills to me.
Is that Juno J-U or J-E-W?
Alright. You're coming with me. Everybody, target him.
I got her.
Nice.
Dead. Okay, I'm gonna ult as well.
Jetpack cat's
Oh,
dead
perfect.
too.
Let's do this.
I love using him for a sight. Everyone just runs away because they think I'm actually good at aiming. Holy stutter!
Ah, fuck.
We're good. We're good.
Ooh, watch out for Bob.
Oh! Her head!
Too fucking easy. I wasn't even scared.
I was even scared for a second. This is all according to my calculations.
No one can hide from my
I feel like I'm lying.
Oh, this is where I did absolutely nothing and killed the entire team? Yes, it is.
Oh, it's because you're alt. That thing does crazy super damage.
Wow. Like, I'm gonna buy a dishwasher this weekend, hopefully.
Ooh,
I gotta
what color
find
is
someone
he?
Right behind you, Justin. Back up, back up, back up. Right here.
Get the shot on my face.
Bro.
I don't have
She's dead.
Nifty.
Hell yeah.
Hit me. Come on, hit me.
Every time I've seen this Asian water nigga, he's done absolutely nothing.
They changed 76. No way.
What, Grippo, my dicko? What could they possibly have done?
Kill him.
Certainly can't
I
afford
wasn't even scared, bro.
Come here, cat. Come on.
Justin, are you tanking the team?
Yeah, dude.
Alright, Dan, that's enough.
Alright, Dylan, I'll put you in the high ground. We'll go here so they don't see it.
Okay, I'm moving up now.
Oh god, they're coming over here.
I'm grabbing one.
Please don't die this early.
I got one, I got one, I got one.
Help! Jetpack cat behind him!
Don't worry, we're having a jetpack cat battle.
Oh no, we lost.
I got him.
No, I'm worried.
Don't say that.
Yeah, no, I'm saying that. See, you could probably make a counterpoint if you were fucking dead.
Oh, jetpack is one.
¡Ayúdame!
He's speaking Nigerian.
Whoa.